359 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And in 1 week, it will be 1 year that the Israelis has occupied Gaza. And a lot of casualties there. And the war is still going on. Welcome back with the regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 30th, 2024. We have not so good news, only 3 regular puzzles. The first one I've already solved, so 2 puzzles are left. The 4 stars and the binary puzzle. There are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, only these 3 regular puzzles. The second puzzle I will continue is the 4 Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 9358. And this one has 24 printed digits. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And yeah, let's get started. And let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. 3 threes, 2 fours, 4 fives, well, 2 6, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 8, 3 eights, and 1 9. So the 5s are in majority. Can I start with the 5? 5 5 5 5 5. No. 5 5 5. No. 5 5. Well, in this column, middle column, well, let me start with the 1 then. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. In the middle column, 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. No, the 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 8, 7 8. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the middle column for the must 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the must 1, the 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have 3 in this row. Third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2. Oh wait, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column, the only place level the 3 should be there. Yeah, now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the last 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Alright, then 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then so well, let me think 4 4, need a 3 here, need a 3 there. In this column we need a 3. Second column. Here can be 3, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay, 5. Need a 5 here. 8, 7. Come on. 8, 8. 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 7, 7. Need a 7 here or there. 8, 8. Need a 8 here. Come on. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below, so last row only 2 places left, and the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and look, we have 2 and a 4 in this column, no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Okay, so 9, 6, and then 2. No, need an 8 here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the filled column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Yeah, we have a pair, I believe. 4 and 8 in the first column, 4 and 8 in the third column. So the column between, second column, only 2 places left with 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 4, 4, 4. 8, 8. Then, let me see. 5 in this column. 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left with 5. It should be there. Here 9 and a 6, 9, 6 and a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. 6 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. Yeah, 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left now in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9, 9. 8, 8. Need a 1, 1. 1, 1. Come on. 4, 4. How about the 6? 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column 3, the only place left. 6 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left, the 2, could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then, let me see the 3. Come on. How about 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2 is missing here. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 9 and 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 in this, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish. 12 minutes. This one is also a very quick one to solve. 0 stars, yeah. We solve it again. 14, 30 minutes. So well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 3rd and last puzzle for today, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.